Karina, this is Urvi here to your left. Hi. Uh, when you signed this film, that time you were pregnant, and then there was a
No,
whole.
actually, I wasn't pregnant. The journey started there.
Okay, so there was this whole lot of change that happened in your personal life. So how did that affect when you were shooting for your film, and what sort of changes did you go through, and how did you manage with Temur while shooting for this film?
Were they asking boys? Have they asked Sam this?
Yeah, I mean, I think that, I mean, I very, very lucky to have, I think, a husband who is so understanding. Because apart from, of course, my producer Ria, who actually stood by me, because this film, I signed this film actually before I got pregnant. I had to call her up 2 months later that I am pregnant and she needs to take someone else. But I think the fact that they decided that, they want to go with me still, we changed the character to be pregnant. And then I was like, I can't do this and it's really, really difficult, so we should go with someone else. But I think I think it was Ria's conviction, and she was like, no, I think let's just wait. And I think all of them have been so supportive towards me for actually waiting. And then after that, I think it's Saif who kind of pushed me and said, I think you should hit the gym and get back to the studio and take your son with you and, set an example to a lot of mothers that, it is possible that you can do it. And I think I think it's been touchwood good till now. So let's see. I don't know what the next step is going to be, but this journey has been beautiful.
स्वरा हाय या मेरा सवाल वैसे आप सबसे है जैसे जो ट्रेलर में हमने देखा कि शादी को लेकर के एक किस्म का डर दिखाया जा रहा है कि मतलब अलग अलग स्टेजेस पे है शादी हो रही है तो कैसे कैसे प्रेशर्स होते हैं आप लोग मतलब करीना आप शादीशुदा हैं कैसा आप लोग सोचते हैं शादी कितना एक लड़की के लिए मतलब एक प्रेशर होती है या किस तरह का दबाव होता है कैसे आप लोग सोचते हैं शादी को लेकर के आप सबसे सवाल
I think you can kill this answer. Take off.
मैं बिल्कुल आई मीन मुझे लगता है कि इस फिल्म में बहुत एक अच्छी और ख़ास चीज़ ये है कि हमने बिल्कुल जो रियल है जो पॉसिबल है जो लड़कों के लिए पॉसिबल है वही लड़कियों के लिए पॉसिबल है ऐसा दिखाया है तो हमने कहीं पे शादी को लेकर लोगों के अलग अलग रिएक्शंस हो सकते हैं और हमने वही दिखाया है मेरे को पर्सनली लगता है कि शादी एक पर्सनल चॉइस होनी चाहिए एक ज़माना था हमारे देश में जहाँ पे शादी ज़रूरी था एक ऑलमोस्ट नेसेसरी लाइफ चॉइस था चॉइस भी नहीं था बहुत लोगों के लिए वो एक मतलब बस था वो करना था आई थिंक अब वो बदल रहा है कई ज़्यादा लड़कियों के लिए शादी एक रियल सेंस में चॉइस बन रहा है जो कि अच्छी बात है लड़कों के लिए भी होना चाहिए सबके लिए पर्सनल चॉइस होनी चाहिए
Honestly, ये film है it's about 4 girls at different stages of their marital status. तो एक की शादी हो रही है, एक की शादी हो गई है, एक का divorce हो रहा है और एक की शादी हो रही नहीं है. तो there are like 4 girls who are just at an uncertain age, like we said, at an uncertain time. और it's a revelation. There are lots of बहुत ही entertaining film है, बहुत ही funny film है, पर बहुत सारे ऐसे मुद्दे हैं फिल्म में जो बहुत आसानी से आपको दिखाई देंगे पर बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग वे में दिखाई देंगे पर डायलॉग और कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत अच्छे रियल हाँ
करीना शिखा एंड सोनम आप लोग की क्या राय है इसी सेम सवाल पे
मैंने अभी बोल दी अभी बेबो आप बोलिए
In order it has to go like that. Would you have asked this question to a guy? Because they also have pressures of marriage, yaar.
अगर
They are also married. It's not that कि औरत को ही pressure होता है. I'm sure. I mean, in today's time, we're sharing everything. We're sharing responsibility. We're sharing our lives together. So we'll share the pressures also. Why just the women?
I have a question. So if you see for the longest time, whenever we've seen friendship films or buddy films, it's always been from a male perspective, mostly. There has been, Dil Chahta Hai, and then, Pyar Ka Panchnama, or Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. And you kind of changed it with Aisha. There was a kind of change, and after Aisha, there's been nobody who has taken up that baton of doing films like that. This is coming after so many years. Do you think this will bring in a revolutionary change in the mindset of people, or in Bollywood, will we see more films
Aisha
like
was
that?
not a friendship film. I mean, it was a film about a girl and her friends. But this film is an ensemble film, it's about each girl's journey. So each of us have an equally important story to tell. It's obviously about Kalindi Bebo's character who's getting married, and it's like her perspective and everything like that. But it is a story about friendship. It's a story about girls, and I don't think a film like this has been made before. It has not been made before, where it's entertaining, it is fun, it's got romance, it's got dance, it's got drama, it's got everything. And why can't female women headline a commercial film about girls which says something, which has a story? Why not? And I think this is going to bring about a change. If hopefully with the support of everybody this film does well, I hope to God it brings about a change in the kind of roles that have been written for us.
Also, you know, Sonam, you had also gone on record saying that when you were pitching this film to producers, people wanted to reduce the prices of the film because it was a female-centric film. Do you think that is going to change with this, and how important is it for the film to work for that progression to come? And also to Kareena, both of you.
Bebo, you want to answer that?
No, Sonam is going to answer.
Delhi bahut dur hai. Bahut kaam hai. You know, I think there's a very, very, very long way off before any of that happens. But we're trying, and people like Kareena are setting an example, you know. And you. No, but yeah, okay, maybe to a certain extent. But I look at Kareena and I'm like, okay, she got married, she was on set, she was working. You would never ask a man, like there are stories that are coming out, iski shaadi ho rahi hai, will she be working? She's giving up her life and going here and going there. Will they ever say that ki this Shahid Kapoor ki shaadi ho gayi, kisi ne pucha ki is he going to work or not work? You know, so if you have someone like Kareena Kapoor who has gone straight onto set after her wedding. She's gotten pregnant, had a baby, and straight gone to work. Nobody will ask a man these questions. Nobody will ask any man this question, but why is it a woman is always asked this question? So that is something, this is a mindset, this misogynistic mindset is what needs to change. And hopefully with films like this, maybe something changes, you know. And I think hopefully if this film does well, which touch wood, we all are hoping and praying that it does, because it's important for a film like this to do well, so that we as women get our space, get our, you know, we break the glass ceiling some way or the other.
Kareena, hello. Kareena.
Yeah, on the right here.
Kareena,
one sec. So we'll go left and right first.
Hi.
Here.
From carrying on from there, like, why do you think we don't have many films on female bonding? Because few months back we have had Georgia with Richa and Kalki. So same question was raised that why don't we have films on female bonding, like the way we have male bonding films?
So sorry. Shikha just told us what film it is. I haven't seen it. Shikha, answer this question. Yeah, Shikha, answer this question.
Sorry, can you
It's a
please
film
repeat
that
the
didn't do well
question?
box office-wise, but that's all. So what basically she said was Richa and Kalki had done a film which was about female bonding. Similar questions were asked, and they also had their points of view. So what she's asking is, why do you think that's the point? Why is, yes, it's far off, but why are they not making it?
I don't know. I think the fact that we're making films with women, by women, I think our audience is hungry for those real films. And to see different perspectives and relatable films and real films with real women. So I think it's changing slowly but steadily. It's changing.
Well, I think that a lot of why this film got made is because there are two female producers sitting behind it. This film is made, a lot of the push and drive for this film is Riya Kapoor and Ekta Kapoor. And of course, Anil sir and Shobha ma'am and so everyone. But Riya and Ekta are really the driving forces behind this film. So I think that question needs to be asked to producers. That question needs to be asked to male and female producers, but male producers because they've held the reins of the industry for so long. And that question needs to be asked to male writers and directors. That why were not stories like this written before? And Nan, to come back to your thing, I really hope this film does well. I think it'll do well. And I think it'll change everything from prices to trajectories to the kind of stories we see. And I think that it's 2018, and the fact that this is the first time that there is a film about 4 girls being friends and not falling in love with the same guy. I think we deserve a clap for that. Yeah.
Swara, see, I was waiting for you to take off. Yeah.
Zindabad.
You made my.
Zindabad.
You made it. You made the press con.
Listen, I have a question. I said there's this great. Well, you all don't ask about the film now, so I have to come back into it. No?
आप और शादी की बात करो ना, अभी शादी की बात
Okay.
करो. अभी सवाल ये पूछिए.
You understand, right? I'm mediating, so I have to come in between only then. Go ahead.
Karina
Yeah.
and Sonam,
Okay,
towards your
anyone can answer this question. You know, obviously the trailer is looking really great, but it does has a bit of bold dialogues. How about the censor board? What sort of cuts have you guys been asked, or what are you expecting?
मैं तो जा रही हूँ.
I'll tell you something. This question is better asked to the producers of the film. They are not here right now. There's a reason they didn't come, I think.
आपको पता है ना, actors have nothing to do with censor board.
But we don't know. We hope because there is nothing that's objectionable in this film.
Hi, Karina, Sonam,
Also,
towards your right.
One second, let it
yesterday-
complete.
Also, no, recently Saroj Khan made an unsavory comment, on casting couch existing in Bollywood, and she compared it to a rape. What would you What would you guys
Shikha
like
is
to
going to
say?
answer this question.
Entirely bad is what she said. And yesterday, Ranbir Kapoor had said that he didn't know about the existence of a casting couch, but if it is there, then it's the worst thing. I mean, and a lot of the media, was upset that he was laughing about it, etc. So this has become the talking point. And Swara, yes, if you could take this question.
This question is made for you. You
I mean,
have
why
to
is
take it.
casting couch being asked to me? Like, what is this?
Bold,
What is the
give your
meaning of
take.
this? I mean, what is the question? Like, what is there to ask about? I mean, it's.
No, this.
बाबा आदम को भी मलाइन कर दो. बाबा आदम का भी छीछा लेदर साथ में.
तो आपको बोलना है yes or no कि exist करता है कि नहीं करता है, बस ये जवाब देना है. और उसमें no.
No, what do you
सबका no.
what do you have to say about Saroj
यार
Khan's
सबसे पहले
statement?
तो मैं बोलूंगी इसका वीरे दी वेडिंग से कोई लेना देना
Yes.
नहीं है, ठीक है. और मुझे लगता है कि हमें जो सारे सवाल हैं वो वीरे दी वेडिंग तक ही सीमित रखने चाहिए.
बस
But
now I
Swara,
will
you
move to the
always
last
want
question.
आगे बात करेंगे.
एक second, this one last question over here.
But
Yeah.
all these questions, honestly, I have something to say. Every question that is not relating to the film, I promise you, Swara or me, or I don't know about Shikha. Shikha, have you done this before? But I'm just saying that we will answer all of this on a one-on-one basis. Because right now, we are trying to keep the focus on this, because the next headline shouldn't be say, कि Swara Bhaskar नहीं है, Saroj Khan के बारे में बोला. That should not be the headline.
मेरे ट्विटर टाइमलाइन पे आ जाओ आप.
Exactly, Swara.
Twitter.
The
No, but
fact
we
that
can, no. We will talk about it. I promise you, we will talk about it on one-on-one. Swara and I have the same PR, and so does Bebo. We all have our own PR. Chandani is here. Rohini is here somewhere. Ro, where are you? And we will talk about it personally on our personal time, because these are questions that are not related to the film right now.
Swara's answering this question, she said on Twitter anyway. No?
Exactly, Swara, and the fact that Amazon kind of deleted your retweet, it's about your Twitter timeline.
Chandani,
Who is messing my career with this question? Where are you?
Would you like to take that, please?
Yeah, I wouldn't like to take that question here at all.
Done.
I don't
We
want
move-
to. I don't
Yeah.
think we should divert focus from this film. This is a really
It's an
special film.
important
It's an
film,
important
it's a special
film,
film,
and I think that let's keep the focus on this film because it's necessary that this film get the relevant attention.
We got 17 minutes in
Hello.
without those bits, right? So that's not
Hello.
too bad. I'm going to finish off. Yeah, one second. Hang on, guys.
One
Hi,
question.
Karina,
Wait,
Sonam,
Baba, one
towards
second,
your
one
right.
second.
Hi,
Yeah.
Priyanka from Indian Express. The trailer looks amazing.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. I wanted to know from both of you, how liberating was it for you, for both of you, to not have a male co-star and be surrounded by female co-stars and have your own space, own that
I have
space?
to tell you something. I used to make a joke to Poonam. I used to say, "Is my favorite hero I've ever worked with is Kareena Kapoor." I'm telling you, it's the easiest thing to work with other women. Unfortunately, our conditioning is such that people expect women to pull other women down and, compete with each other, because obviously divide and rule, right? So what's amazing is to actually all work towards the same goal of making the best possible version of something. So if everybody bands together, literally, girls, we can rule the world.
Karina?
Hello.
Karina, your
Hello.
opinion on the same? Karina?
I think that it was brilliant. I've been a part of a lot of ensemble films. But I think this was very, very special, and that's the reason I wanted to be a part of it, because I don't think a lot of mainstream actresses want to be paired with other girls. I think it's always like, I mean, like I have worked with Salman, Amir, Shah Rukh, everyone wants to work with them. But the fact is that I really wanted to be a part of this movie and, you know, work with Sonam and Swara and Shikha and everyone and just, you know, feel like a teammate, a team player. And it's really taught me actually to get out of that, you know, commercial typical zone of being, you know, a part of those big Bollywood movies and be a part of a film and, you know, play a character. So I think it's been a learning experience for me.
Kareena, also
Hello,
have
mera
to
sawal,
ask you that
One second, I'm just going to jump across and finish off with one.
Excuse
Yeah, okay, hang on. One second.
Kareena, there have been rumors that you have been offered Salute, which is Rakesh Kumar's biopic. So would you like to say something about that?
Whatever film I choose, I'll definitely let everyone know, but at the right time.
Okay, thank you.
चलो मेरा सवाल
One last
सोनम,
question,
करीना
yeah.
और स्वरा आप तीनों से है। फिल्में जब रिलीज होती हैं किसी सेलिब्रिटी की तो जाहिर सी बात है एक कोई ना कोई इन्फ्लुएंस जरूर क्रिएट करती है सोसाइटी में, लेकिन जब रियल लाइफ में एज अ सेलिब्रिटी जब कोई सेंसिटिव मुद्दा जब आता है, जब आपको रिएक्ट करना होता है, तो कितनी जिम्मेदारी होती है एक सेलिब्रिटी के लिए? आप तीनों का कोई रिएक्शन अगर हो?
सबसे जिम्मेदार हम में से करीना जी।
प्लीज।
This question also on Twitter timeline.
बेसिकली हमने ये देखा था कि हाल ही में वेरी सैड इंसिडेंट हुआ था और आप तीनों ने रिएक्ट किया था उस पर।
So I'm going to answer this question on everybody's behalf. As celebrities, we have a platform, and if we feel something for a certain subject, we will react on it. You know, we get our free bags and free shoes because we're celebrities, but if there's something that's affecting society in some way, we will talk about it. Now, whether we should talk about it on this platform at this point where I feel we are creating a film that might change the mindsets of people and this might divert from that, I don't know if that's all right, but I don't think we've ever shied away from supporting anything that we believe in.
But at the same time,
Thank you.
I think that gets it, bro. That was 6 of the bouncer. Okay, so we're going to wrap up and we just do a little photo op in the end, guys. Okay, we're done. Thank you.
Thank you.